Hello and namaste everyone. This is Ekta, your host, and welcome to our channel Login Science. If you are new to this channel, then please make sure to subscribe our channel and click on that notification bell so you are notified every time we are online. And yes, help us reach the first 100 subscribers real soon. So, if you want to learn how to make your TikTok account from private to public, or you simply don't know how to unprivate your TikTok account, then yes, it's the correct video and I'm going to help you in that process. So what you do is you go into TikTok and okay, you will have this profile icon displayed at the bottom. Okay, you will have number of options like home, friends, plus icon, inbox and profile. Have a click on profile option, and if your account is private, it will show it right here, like just below your username. It says private account and you don't want it to be private anymore, so you click on the three horizontal lines or bars at the top just next to the big boss eyes or something like that, and have a click on it. Settings and privacy, and here you see the green signal, like your account is private and you don't want it to be private anymore, so you simply disable it by having a tab or click on it, and you will have this switch to public account, and you'll simply say switch, and yes, you can simply cross check. Okay, now your account is no more private. And yes, that was the video for today. I hope it was really helpful. If it was, then please make sure to hit like. This is me signing off. Have a great day.